Hello everybody, this is Scott Smith again with Lean Life Hacks, and today I am doing one of my favorite things. I am catching the sunrise at the lake and getting some photographs with a legacy lens that I picked up fairly cheap on eBay. 400mm focal length, and it's fixed length, so it's pretty amazing. I got it for next to nothing, believe it or not. If memory serves, I paid like $90 for it. Now if you think about the fact that I'm shooting 400mm for $90, that's pretty amazing. And the fact of the matter is, it's a little muggy and rainy out here today. It's kind of nasty, but I got to watch the sunrise. There's some geese out there floating around. And you know, the fact of the matter is, if you're doing wildlife photography, which is what I'm doing right now, the animals are always out here, even if it's raining and nasty. And the gloomy weather adds for some interesting shot. Oh, holy cow. Hold on a minute. What is that? That is... son of a gun. It's a squirrel riding a seagull. I swear to goodness. A squirrel on a seagull. There. The heck just happened? ERR01. Oh, son of a... Okay, so here we are again with another Lean Life hack. And today I want to tell you about these old, antiquated 400mm lenses made by Sigma. You can find them all over eBay. And these are great lenses for the money, man. You really can't beat them. The only problem is, and this gives a lot of people fits, you've got to understand that these were made for film cameras. So there are a few idiosyncrasies that they have that you have to know about in order to get them to work effectively on your digital camera. One of the things is that just like the fixed 400mm length, they're also fixed as far as their aperture goes. Alright, so you can only set the aperture on this to 5.6. It won't work on anything else. I'll prove it to you. Hold on. So if you would look at this and notice that I have this setting at aperture 5.6, and this is a Canon. This is an older style Canon 1D, EOS 1D. Okay, top of the line back in its day. But it's older at this point. It's only 8 megapixel, but it's what I use. And I've also got an 80D, and it's the same with the 80D. I'm just using the 1D because it's handy. So if you'll watch 5.6, watch. There you go. And as you can see, it works just fine. No problems at all. 5.6. At 5.6, this camera, this lens, will run all day long. However, watch what happens when I change the aperture. Okay, here you can see I've got the aperture set at 6.3, just one notch up. And as you can see, look, the dreaded ERR01. And the thing about this is, you will get that dreaded ERR01 100% of the time if you're shooting at an aperture other than 5.6. It took me a while to figure this out. I was actually considering there's a chip kit you can buy that overrides the error function. It doesn't make it shoot at any other aperture setting. It just will keep you from getting the error message if you put this chip in, but you have to solder it in yourself. So to me, it wasn't worth it. One of the things that I do personally with this camera is I will put it on shutter priority so that it's a fixed aperture, 5.6. Don't have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about changing it. I don't have to worry about anything other than, I don't have to worry about shutter speed, because under AP mode or AV mode on Canon, the camera will decide what shutter speed it needs. The only thing I have to mess with is white balance and ISO. So this is a way to use your resources wisely. Get online, find one of these things used, and go have a good time with it. I do a lot of photography with it. It's I've got 2 of them actually. As you can see, I put handles on mine so that when I'm shooting out of a car window, it's easily stabilized. Okay, like so. It's a good way to take some good, crisp, long-range photos for not a whole lot of money. And if you drop it, bang it up, hurt it, you're not out that much. This is a good deal. It's a good life hack, a good lean life hack.